Hello everyone, Sid The Baker here. I want to try a little experiment this week. Every day for the whole week I'm going to send out a short video of things to do with puff pastry. So today I'm going to do cream crisps, tomorrow cream horns, the next day cream puffs, finishing up with Eccles cakes. Then on the final day we're going to bake them all off in one go and finish them off. And we'll see how that goes, shall we? What can I say? I'm a genius. For this one we're going to do the cream crisps. These are the big heart shaped ones that you see in the shop with the puff pastry at the top, puff pastry at the bottom and the cream in the middle. So, just got to roll the puff pastry out. Again, if you bought the puff pastry in, obviously you don't need to do this if it's ready rolled puff pastry. And we're going to get it to round about the 1/4 inch thick. Let me set a little bit more room there. There we go, that should just about do it. Okay, so what we need now, we need a straight edge. Right, so I'm going to fold it that way, and then I'm going to fold the top bit in that way. A little bit too much there, so I can trim a little bit off the top. Now I'm going to fold that in that way, like that. So that's together. And then that's going to be folded over the top. But before we do that, just get a little bit of water. Tell you what I'll do, because I don't want to make too many of these, I'm going to cut that in half that way. There we go, and I can put that pastry to one side. Right, now just wet the inside of that. Get your sugar, and just sprinkle some sugar on it. Like that. Now, fold that one in that way. Fold that one in that way. Wet it again. Like that. Bit of sugar on it. Like that. And then fold it over again. So you've actually got that sort of shape. Okay, now all we're going to do with this now, we're going to trim it off around about a 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Now that is your pastry that you're going to put on the tray. Now again, if you bought your puff pastry and it's ready rolled, you don't need to let it rest. You can put it straight over if you like, because it's already rested because it's ready rolled. This one, as we've rolled it out, we'll have to let it rest. Now we've got we've got 6 there, so that will do 3 cakes. And a spare one. Right, so space them out, because remember these are going to open up. They're going to go sideways. So give them plenty of room on your baking sheet. So let them rest for half an hour or so. And then we're going to put them in the oven. So that was how to make cream crisps. Now if you want to see what we do with them, how we bake them, how we finish them off, there is a video at the end of all these that will show you exactly that. If you like what you saw, like, share, subscribe and turn on your notifications. See you again soon.